welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to analyze gold with the US CPI data report, inflation report today. So Forex Factory, that's the 11th of July. You can see the CPI yearly report. 3.3 is the previous one. So Fed forecast to drop to 3.1%. And CPI monthly increase expect to 0.1% from 0%. And the core CPI monthly 0.2%. So that's the gold daily chart. You can see, you can join my Telegram, link is below. How to trade accurate and make profit with the gold trading. You can join me Telegram, link is below. So this is the gold daily chart. You can see the daily chart is strong, resistance is in there. So price again reach this resistance area, that is the 2391 level is the strong resistance area. This level is the 2400 level is also in psychological level. 2400 level break needs to strong data to break this level. The strong data is that this is the CPI yearly report. So CPI yearly report, Fed forecast to drop 3.1%. It dropped to the 3.1% or 3%, 2.9 like that. That will help to Fed Watch Tool website. I am going to the Fed Watch Tool website. You can see Fed Watch Tool website. September interest rate cutting forecast is now, what is the, we can see this is the Fed Watch Tool website. This is the Federal Reserve interest rate forecast for website. So you can see the September FOMC meeting. Let's see the what is the interest rate cutoff forecast in price in September FOMC meeting. You can see 70% price into the interest rate cut in September 25 BPS. So inflation report dropped to the 3.1 or below 3%, 2.9. That will help to increase this interest rate cut. 25 BPS increase to above 70%, and that will help to gold push to the upside. That is the gold past 2400 level if inflation drop to the below 3.1 or below 3%, 2.9 like that. That is my first option with the CPI data report, and the other option is the CPI yearly report not drop to the 3.1%. Actual report will be 3.3, 3.2 or increase to 3.4. That will help to this interest rate cut forecast drop to the below September FOMC meeting, and that will help to dollar demand and gold push to the downside 2350 or below level gold drop. That's my another option with the CPI yearly report. That the two options how to trade with gold with the inflation report USA. So I'm going to the 4-hour chart. You can see this trend line is the so important in this trend line is still not break this trend line. You can see price several times reacted this trend line. So I am hoping with inflation report drop to the 3.1 or below, that will help to gold push to upside like this, and past 2400 level is the psychological level. So that is my forecast with the inflation report. So get the accurate signals with the CPI data report. You can join with my Telegram, link is below. So thank you very much.